Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery Ideas. If you're curious about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible so you can confidently take your first step into the world of crypto. Let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Think of it as digital money. It's like the money we use every day, but instead of physical coins or bills, it only exists online. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, such as Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency Martian Matter digital, or virtual currency secured by cryptography. The key idea behind cryptocurrencies is that they are decentralized, meaning no single bank or government controls them. This makes them different from traditional money, where banks and governments have authority over the currency. How does Bitcoin work? Now let's talk about Bitcoin. It's the first and most popular cryptocurrency, created in 2009. Imagine Bitcoin as digital gold. Instead of mining gold from the ground, Bitcoin is mined using powerful computers that solve complex puzzles. This process is called blockchain technology, which keeps everything secure and transparent. Each Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger ensures security and prevents fraud because every transaction is transparent and visible to everyone. Why are people interested in crypto? Why are so many people interested in cryptocurrency? Well, there are three big reasons. Investment potential. Bitcoin has grown from being worth just a few cents to thousands of dollars. People see it as a way to potentially earn a lot of money. Control over your money. With cryptocurrencies, you have complete control over your money. There's no middleman, like a bank involved. You have the power to manage and use your money whenever you want. Global Access Crypto allows you to instantly send or receive money to anyone anywhere in the world. It's like having a global wallet in your pocket. How to get started with crypto. All right, let's get started on your crypto journey. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Choose a crypto wallet. There are beginner-friendly apps available, like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These wallets allow you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Buy your first crypto, link your bank account to the wallet, and purchase as little as $10 worth of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you're interested in free. Secure your wallet. Use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Consider getting a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that keeps your cryptocurrencies safe offline. Remember your private keys and passwords are like the keys to your wallet. Never share them with anyone. Risks and tips for beginners. Although cryptocurrency is exciting, it does come with risks. Prices can be extremely volatile, meaning they can rapidly go up or down. Here are some tips to stay safe. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest your life savings or money you can't afford to lose. Crypto investments should be seen as a long-term strategy. Avoid scams. Be cautious of schemes or offers that sound too good to be true. Scammers are out there, so always do thorough research before investing. Do your research. Stick to well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Understand their technology, community, and potential. Before investing your money, cryptocurrency might seem complicated, but with the right knowledge, it's a world full of potential. So what do you think? Are you ready to start your crypto journey? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money mastery ideas. See you in the next video.